Hi, everybody. What are you doing today? Well, my son and I are planning a birthday party for our dog Sadie. Want to see? Well, I made her a cake. Red velvet, her favorite. And she is going to be 5 years old. Aww. So now what I want to do, because she wants to share this cake with her little friend Chico, so I'm going to cut it in half so they can each have a piece. Let's see, I'm going to cut it into 2 equal pieces. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Is that 2 equal pieces? It's not? Which piece would you rather have? This one or this one? This one does look a little bit bigger, doesn't it? Maybe these aren't equal pieces. I think I need to go make another cake. Hold on. So while the cake is baking, I am going to tell you what we're going to do today. We are going to partition a figure into 2 equal parts and describe the parts using words. How are we going to do this? We are going to partition shapes into 2 equal parts, and then this is important because we need to be able to describe equal parts in words. These are called halves. Say halves. Halves are 2 equal parts. If both pieces are the same size, they are in half. They are divided or partitioned in half. Which brings us to the word equal. Say equal. Equal means the same. The same means both of them are the same. Each flower, each lion. Look, 2 plus 2, that is the same as 4. Some things that are not equal. Look at these pictures. These are not equal. One's heavier than the other one. There's more red than purple berries. So they're not equal. Partition. This is a new word. Say partition. Partition means to split or separate. So this circle was partitioned in the middle. The rock, look at that, was partitioned. And a poor broken heart. This is a partition. It separated the heart. Speaking of heart, this is my lovely Sadie right here. Isn't she adorable? Yes. And this is her little friend Chico that wants to share some of that cake. So I had to go very quickly, bake another cake, and see if I could divide it in halves, where they each get an equal piece. Let's see if I manage to do that this time. So here is the cake. And I partitioned it in half. Half means 2 equal pieces. Is this piece the same size as this piece this time? Yes, it is. So this is halves. What about if I decide to cut it this way? Would that still be halves? Thumbs up if you think yes. I think you're right. You can divide an object in half in more than one way. Now, what you're going to do is practice partitioning shapes into 2 equal parts. You're going to use the pen tool to partition the shapes into 2 equal parts, then save it and turn it into your teacher. There are 4 shapes for you to partition into 2 equal parts. Now, ask yourself, are they both the same size? If they're both the same size, then you have 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts is called halves. Here are the halves. They are both the same size. 2 equal parts is called halves. Equal, remember, means the same. They both have to be the same. And here are some things that are not the same. Partition means to split or separate equally. And I think I'm going to go finish that cake. See you later.